What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. So in this video, as you can see by the title, we're talking about the New York Stock Exchange opening bell. And I've done various videos about this in the past, like last year, previous years as well. I think for the past 3 years, I've been teaching you guys this strategy, making sure it's updated. And this year, due to popular demand, I had to do a video. I wasn't bothered at all because the previous strategy was quite still relevant. But this year, I just want to teach you more confluences to the foundational strategy that I've already posted over here on our YouTube channel. If you're new, please do revert back to those YouTube videos. I'll link them below in the description. But nevertheless, I believe you will have an overall understanding on how to trade this opening bell each and every day. So it takes place from Monday to Friday on the markets, depending on what country you are. If you're in South Africa like myself, and many of you guys watching here, it's gonna be 15:30. When it's daylight savings, it's gonna be 16:30, okay, or 4:30 if you want to put it that way. But I will announce it when it changes time. So it changes time due to daylight savings. When they switch to winter time, in the States or in the northern side or in the northern hemisphere, then we have daylight savings. Okay. But nevertheless, let's get to it. So I'm going to teach you in three confluences that I'm going to cover this. But firstly, I want us to go all the way just to make sure that we can still lay the foundation of listing some of the stuff on investing.com. So as you can see, I'm on investing.com. That's the app I use to really show you guys these things. You can download it. I'm not affiliated with them. I just use it genuinely. Okay. Now you can go over here where it says watch list. I have added various stocks over there, as you can see, like your US 30, France, and German 40, and then my watch list. But we're gonna just add the Nasdaq watch list. You can say new portfolio, and you can name the portfolio like how I've just named it over here. You can just um I'm not sure why it doesn't want to enter. You can sort of just probably because I have multiple portfolios right now. Once you've done that, you will click create. Once it's created, it will be an empty portfolio where you're required to enter companies. So that plus there is going to help you. But let's go ahead right now. One more tip that I need to share for beginners who are watching this. When you add, like, for example, Tesla over here, you must have it listed as an American flag. Reason being is because they do have other branches around the world that cater to that sort of country, okay, in terms of their stock. So let's list these companies. They are in no particular order in terms of um, company net cap and so forth. I'm just listing them here. We are going to be using Tesla as our main bias, one of our confluences, but let's list them over here. So we have Tesla, we have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Microsoft, we have Alphabet A, so that stands for Google. So when you search this, you need to search it as Alphabet A. Okay, it's under NASDAQ, Google, and of course we have Meta platforms, which is your Facebook and your Instagram over there. Meta platforms, as well as Netflix. Okay, Netflix. So these are under, should be under your watch list. So once you have done that now, let me introduce you to the confluences that we're going to be using. Okay, I just want to go straight to the point, guys, without wasting any further time. So the first thing we're going to be using is when you click Tesla. We're going to use Tesla, by the way. Okay. And you're gonna go all the way where it says technicals. I've done this before, so that's why I'm like kind of rushing through it, but I think you can pause and follow. You can go all the way to 5 minutes. You're gonna be using the 5 minutes to give you sentiment over here. It's a summary of most indicators that appear on your chart, as you can see, that are pressing on the market, and they summarize it due to that direction or that bias. And of course, as we established in the previous video, when you're on the 5 minute candle, I mean 5 minute chart over here, um, or rather when you're on the 5 minute chart over here, and it shows you. Why do I keep on saying 5 minute chart? Rather, 5 minute time frame over here on this investing.com on Tesla, and it gives you a direction. You don't just go and excitedly take this direction. No, you're gonna go to your chart. As you can see, my chart here, I've put something. And let's say this was a buy example. Let's say I'm just gonna go over here. I'm just using it. This was an actual trade of yesterday. That's why I just put it over there. But let's say this was it's showing you buy right when the market is also above this EMA over here. Okay, so what we want is that it should give us that EMA as confluence to support the direction that this is giving you basically. Okay, so this EMA, if I can just go to the settings here, it's just an EMA. If you just search on your trading view exponential moving average, or you can just search moving average, then they will show you types of moving averages. You need to click the EMA, exponential moving average. Then you're gonna go here. It's 50, I think it's set that way. And then the method here is SMA, smooth average movement. Okay, length is 5. I think everything that's just default. Okay, it will show you on the 5 minutes time frame. So we need to correlate the two time frames. And then, of course, it needs to either support the bias that you're getting on investing.com, always support or resist in the sense of sells. Okay, so for example, if it's showing us buy right now, as you can see on investing.com, it should be also giving buys. If it was showing strong sell, so you're gonna trade on strong sells and strong buys, guys, nothing less. If it gives you something else or there's no correlation between the two, where let's say the market is showing you buys over here and on investing.com is showing you sells, don't take the trade. Don't force the trade. Simple. Do not take the trade. Okay? This is just the strategy that's going to limit you, unfortunately, in terms of it's free. I can't reveal all the resources that we use to trade this. If you want all the resources, we do have our mentorship advanced trading course that's available on our website. In fact, it's currently on a 60% discount. So I would advise you, if you really want to level up trading some of this stuff and you want to speed up that knowledge, you can take advantage of this. That 60%, we don't just do it monthly or anything like that. It's done because it is our anniversary. So we've been operating for 4 years, impacting many of you guys here positively with the knowledge that we share over here on this YouTube channel. Therefore, we want to extend you an offer to be welcomed into our trading community where we show you rather, I was about to say explicit, but exclusive strategies that are going to be yielding amazing, consistent profits. We're not promising overnight success here. Gradually, you will grow to become profitable. Okay. So 60% off, it will end on the 15th of October. So make sure you can get yourself that course. We will put our numbers or just simply apply the coupon code that you see on your screens right there. Okay, so just to wrap off this strategy and making sure that you guys get it, the main confluence again is that you're gonna go to your Tesla as well on here. Okay, 5 minutes. So once you've added this stuff, yes, it's relevant that you have all of these companies agreeing. But this one, Tesla, is the most powerful as it's quite volatile, not in sense of market size, but the volatility there of the liquidity of this. It's quite liquid compared to other stocks. Therefore, it adds a lot of movement towards Nasdaq. Okay, again, you go to technicals over here, you go to 5 minutes, it should show you a signal over there to say strong buy or strong sell. That strong sell or strong buy, it should correlate with your 5 minutes chart, and you must have a moving average there to really support or resist. In this case, yesterday here, we did have this was the New York Stock Exchange here. We did have the market showing us that we had a strong sell, and the EMA here, we can see it that the market, it was being pressed by this EMA, giving me confluence to actually sell. Another dead confluence I've taught you when it comes to news impacts, we basically have what we call trend following. pullback news and whipsaw news. So as you can see here, we do have this as a trend following kind of type of news. We do teach more about that within our mentorship. So you can see it was sort of a bearish market in that case. So yeah, but you can see that quite clear. I believe it's going to yield you guys profits. You are going to be limited in terms of when it does not correlate, where according to the rules of what I'm showing you, you're going to get a general asking the very same question here in the comment section. Please do answer him, those who are watching till right now. If it does not correlate, that means you are going to be trading outside of the parameters and the limits of the strategy that I'm showing you. Therefore, you are going to lose money. If it correlates, you will make money. Okay, let's keep it that way. If you want more is available in our mentorship course over there. That's currently 60% off. Okay. Now you can backtest this. I don't want to make this video too long. You can go ahead, backtest this over 100 trades and see where it is. Because it's a free strategy, it can have limitations, but you will see it will be above 80%. Okay. And then you will see once you join our actual mentorship, you will see our strategies go all the way to about 95% accuracy. So definitely thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're blessed by this. It is really going to assist you to really ensuring that you get to pinpoint this type of events quite correctly over here. Okay. So nevertheless, I will see you guys on the next video. I think I will do part 3 of full smart money breakdown class. Okay. God bless.